In this video, I will show you how to create a video in Heygen. Start by going to Heygen AI's official website and logging in. On the top left corner, click Create, and from the drop-down menu, select Video Agent. This is Heygen's automated video tool, perfect for creating avatar videos, including podcast-style content or quick explainer videos. Once the Video Agent workspace opens, start by typing in your script. Next, select the length of your video by choosing the number of seconds and pick the avatar you want to appear in your video. Once you've finalized these details, click the Submit button, the small arrow pointing to the right. Heygen will then generate a video plan. Take a moment to review it carefully. If it looks good and matches your expectations, type Yes and Submit. Now, all that's left is to wait for the video to render. Once it's finished, your avatar video will be ready to download, share, or edit further in Heygen Studio. And that's how to create a video in Heygen.